Hello viewers. Today we are going to discuss all very important 2 marks questions in first year economics. The first one is microeconomics. So as we know, the economy can be divided into two branches, microeconomics and macroeconomics. Let's see first one. Microeconomics. The word micro is derived from the Greek word micros. Micros means small. That means economics explain small units in the economy. See here. Microeconomics examines the economic actions and behavior of individual units like one person income, one person consumption, like that. And if you see the second one, macroeconomics, the work sorry the word so that is word the word micro is derived from the Greek word macros, which mean large. So the word micro is derived from the Greek word which mean large. That means macroeconomics explain the large things in the economy. Okay, so microeconomics explains aggregates like national income, total consumption in the country, and total poverty in the country, so total demand in the country, like that. And if you see the third one, wealth. So here wealth refers to the stock of asset that which can generate income. So here wealth definition is different. So wealth is different. Okay. So any asset which can generate income, like your land, your car, or anything. So the important features of wealth are first one. So the asset must have utility and scarcity and value of exchange and transferability. These four things. And if you see the fourth one, economic goods. So economic goods means man-made goods which have price in the market. So all man-made goods which made by the humans. Example, pen, book, milk, etc. And the fifth one is price. Price is the value of a good expressed in terms of money. So price is the value of good expressed in terms of money. Example, a pen value is 10 rupees. It means we express it in terms of money, that is 10 rupees. Any good value, like one chocolate value is 20 rupees. That means that value is 20. And next one, cardinal utility. So as we know, to measure utility, we use two methods: cardinal utility method, ordinal utility method. So according to cardinal utility method, we measure utility in numerical numbers. That means I will get 20 utils by using one apple, and I will get 30 utils by using second apple, third apple, like that. Okay, see here, if we measure utility in numerical numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, that is called cardinal utility analysis. And if you see the next one, ordinal utility analysis. If we compare utility by giving ranks, it is called ordinal utility analysis. Example, first, second, third, fourth. That means here we can't say exactly how much utility we'll get, but we can give ranks. So this will give most utility, so first rank. This will give less than first one, so second rank, third rank, fourth rank, like that. And if you see the eighth one, given paradox or given goods. So we already know according to demand, so price and demand have negative relationship. If one increase, another one will decrease. But there are some goods which won't work according to the law of demand. That means the price, if the price increase, demand will not decrease. Demand will not decrease. So these are the exemptions. So one of the exemption is given paradox. So let's see what is that Giffen paradox. So it is one of the exemption of law of demand. Robert Giffen said in British, when price of bread increases, the demand for bread also increased. So it is against to law of demand. So all the poor people goods, that means the goods which poor people use are the example for the given goods. And next ninth one, cross demand. So cross demand refers to the change in the quantity demanded of a commodity with respect to change in the price of the related goods. Here related goods means substitute goods plus complementary goods. That means so how the demand will change if any changes in related good prices. So example, so we'll take bike and car. Sorry, bike and petrol. So here, both are here complementary goods. So how petrol prices will uh, influence bike demand? So if petrol prices increase, how the bike demand will change? So that will be explained by cross demand. Okay. So next price demand. So price demand or law of demand. So both will give same meaning. That means the relationship between one good price and one good demand. So if price increased or decreased, how the demand will change will be explained by price demand or law of demand. So see, you can that answer. Price demand defined as the relationship between price and quantity of the good. So it will be expressed dx is equal to f in bracket px. Here dx means demand of x good, px means price of x good. And if you see the 11th one, demand function. So demand function explain it is a mathematical relationship between demand and its determinants. So it is a relationship between demand and demand determining factors. So what will decide the demand? So here dx means x good demand. So in bracket we have different things. So those are all determinants. So example px means price of x good. P1 dash 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 pn means related good prices. Y means income. T means taste and preferences. That means these are all things will determine demand. Okay. So demand function means these are all things and demand relationship. And if you see the production function, so it is also little same. Production function explain the relationship between inputs and outputs of the production process. So here input means whatever the raw materials or whatever the factors will use in the production process. What kind of factors will use? So see here N means land, L means labor, K means capital, O means organization, T means technology. So these factors relation with output. Output means here the production which we got after production. Okay. So here production function explain the relationship between inputs and outputs. Okay. So if you see the next one, 13th one, opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is the next best alternative use of factors of production. So next best alternative use. That means if you are a labor, so what is your next best alternative use? Example, now you are working in a company for 20,000. If you change your company, so they are offering 30,000. So what is your next best alternative use? So that is 30,000. Okay, so here we can see one more example. If a farmer decide to grow wheat instead of rice, then the opportunity cost of wheat is rice. And if we see the 14th one, average cost. So average cost means one unit cost. So if we divide total cost with output, then we can get average cost. Okay, so AC is equal to TC by Q. Here AC means average cost, TC means total cost, Q means quantity. Like we have 100 rupees total cost and we have 10 goods. So if you divide 100 by 10, we'll get 10 rupees is the cost for one good. And 15th one is market. So a general meaning, market is a place where goods are purchased and sold. So it is considered as a place where buyers and sellers are brought together. So where we can see buyers and sellers and where goods will purchase and will sold, that place is called market. So there are total 30 important questions, very important questions in first year. So 15 we discussed in this video and remaining 15 we'll discuss in second video. If you like this explanation, so subscribe my channel and share the video and like it. Thank you.